Did you see what? Did you see what yeah. Did you see what
Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you all for being here once again, another Upful Monday. And this Monday, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank rapper Crapper, who has shouted out my channel on numerous occasions on his channel. And I must say, I could not thank you more for the love and for the appreciation and for also bringing light to my channel. With that being said, let's move right into the show. So for those of you who are tuning in for the first time, my Upful Mondays is an upful and joyful program presented by me, Real Empress Yudah, on Mondays. The aim of this program is to inspire, encourage, and uplift by channeling positive thoughts towards achieving success. In doing this, each week, I will feature a success story from the African diaspora. So this week, I share with you the story of a Nigerian bread seller who accidentally photobombed a pop star's photo shoot and gets a modeling contract. So here we go, people. This is a story of Olajumoke. So Olajumoke was a bread seller in her town of Lagos in Nigeria, and she would usually walk her normal route and sell her bread. On this day in question, British pop star Tiny Temper was actually doing a photo shoot in the town of Lagos. And Olajumoke walked into her opportunity by walking the route and photobomb this photo shoot. On doing this, Ty Bello, who was the photographer at the time, saw this beauty who showed up in the photographs and thought this African queen is truly enchanting. So after a few days of search, they were successful in locating Olajumoke. The story continues, people, and it's nothing but success as Olajumoke secured her modeling contract and has since been gracing the stage and the catwalks and has been featured in numerous brands. Olajumoke is a real success story, and I would say to you all, should there be at any time you see fit to walk into your opportunity, you should not delay. Make the move and go for it. You never know what the end result will be. Be like Olajumoke and walk into your success story. Walk into your glory and shine. Bless up, people. Until next week, have a great and upful and joyful Monday. Bless up and take care. I'm out. Real Empress Yudah.
Africa, I'm strong. I'm a woman in Africa, I'm strong.
Did you see what?